In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell stunning invitation templates using Canva and Etsy. This guide will take you through the entire process, from designing your invitation to listing it for sale. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned Etsy seller, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow and full of useful tips. To start off, head over to Canva, which you can access by typing canva.com into your browser. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing a variety of digital projects, and it has a wealth of templates to get your creative juices flowing. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to design. Click on this to dive into the design process. Canva makes this an enjoyable experience with its intuitive interface and wide-ranging template options. Next, we want to search for an invitation template. In Canva's search bar, type invitation template, and you'll be presented with a host of beautiful designs tailored to various occasions. Once you've browsed through, click on the invitation templates result. This will take you to a collection where you can choose the style that best suits your needs or the vision you have in mind. After selecting your desired template, it's time to make it your own. Customize it fully. You can change colors, fonts, images, and text to perfectly match your vision. Once you're happy with your design, download your finished template. Canva offers multiple file formats to download in, such as PDF or PNG, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Now let's move on to the Etsy part of the process. Log into your Etsy account, and from your shop's dashboard, navigate to the listings section and click to open it. Here's where you can start adding your new product to your shop. Look for the Add a Listing button and click on it. This is your first step into setting up your invitation for sale. You'll need to fill out some details for your listing. In the category section, type Invitation Templates, and be sure to select the appropriate one from the list that appears. This categorization helps potential buyers find your product with ease. Proceed by clicking on Continue, and select Digital Files, since this is a virtual product. As you continue through the listing setup, respond to the prompts related to the product specifics, such as who made it, what is it, and when was it made. These help provide transparency and trust with buyers. Continue on by navigating through the About section, moving on to Price and Inventory to set how much you want to sell your design for, and finally the Details section to fine-tune your listing information. Once you have everything filled in and reviewed, the last step is to click Publish. With that, you've successfully listed your invitation template for sale on Etsy, ready to reach the perfect audience. Congratulations, you're now set to share your creativity with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy selling.